guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be doing another hair tutorial because I found one that is really nice. I'll put a picture right here. This hairstyle is by Rihanna. I love the whole updo and the headband she had, so I'm going to do that. So let's get started. Okay, so now I have the picture of her right here. So I'll be looking this way because I have my mirror here. But anyways, okay, so anyways, let's see. So she has hair that she will be framing my face. So I'm going to be taking, okay, first she has bangs, a little bit of bangs. So I have my bangs here. We're going to separate her bangs. Okay, and then she has hair, so I'm gonna separate my hair and separate my hair like that. So these are gonna be the hair they're gonna be framing the face. And she has her hair up in a bun. So we're gonna put her hair in a bun, like a normal bun. Okay, so this is my bun right here, and this is the hair that's gonna be framing the face. So now I'm gonna use my curler Revlon. It's already on, and I'm just going to grab some hair from the ponytail in the back and start curling it. Okay, so once I curled my hair, I'm going to let it like that. And now we're going to curl here on the front so we can curl it so it looks like the picture. Alright, so I got some part. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my straightener. This straightener is from White Straight Remington. It's already on. And we're going to go ahead and straighten our bangs. Alright, so here is what it looks like. Now from I can see that the bun that I just curled, she kind of like lifted up a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to grab sections from the ponytail and just going to create like a bump or something. So I'm just going to randomly pick up and I'm going to bobby pin it. So it kind of looks like the same. So this is what it kind of looks like right now. So now okay, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our headband. Now she has a scarf and I don't have a scarf, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna put it in my head like this. Okay, so she has like a bow in the side like this. I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay, so kind of roll it in the side like that a little bit. Okay. So, okay, so we have something like this. It's just pretty cute. I'm just gonna go and straighten curl some few parts that I see that it's not curled. I don't just see any details that we have going on. She has hair sticking inside there. Just fix this. I'm gonna put it in behind. I'm gonna put these in behind my ears because I'm afraid that it's gonna fall off. So, alright, there you go. This is the last finishing touch. So let me give you a little twist so you guys can see. There you go, one side, the other side. I think this hairstyle is really cute. So like you're going, you know, to a party and you just want to look cute. I think this is so cute. It was very simple. It doesn't even take that long to do it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I had fun doing this. These hairstyles are so much fun to do for me. I love doing these hairstyles. Give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Put that notification bell on so you won't miss my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.